Hi everyone, today we're going to start working on our argument essay. So the last time you worked on LA, you chose your argument topic in your central claim. I had given you an example here, but here's another one. Here's the one that went with my essay. Should teens use social media as the argument, a great debatable argument in today's world? My claim, social media is beneficial for teens, sorry. So we're going to take this and now go to the next step of preparing to write our essay, and that is to be finding three credible sources. So three sources from our text set that will work to help us find relevant evidence. So this is today's assignment. You'll see it's called Assessing Your Sources. Right on it are the links for the five argument choices. I want you to click into the one that is yours, that goes along with your claim. So again, mine is social media is beneficial for teens. So I would click right into the social media text set. Once I get there, I'm going to find three credible website links that I could use to help support my claim of social media being beneficial. Right here are the yes ones. I have some pros and cons, and I have the no ones. Of course, I'm not going to go into the no ones, but I am going to start with this one right here. It's procon.org. I know that is a credible source. It ends in .org because it's pro-con. It gives both sides of the argument. Hopefully it's up to date as well. So you're going to click into it because you're going to need some information on the websites you choose. Again, you're going to be choosing three to use, okay? You must have three good websites. So I'll probably do one from here, maybe two from up here. So I'm going to start with this one. When I clicked into it, here is the website. So the title is procon.org. I'm sorry, the title of the website is procon.org. The title of the article is Are Social Networking Sites Good for Our Society? Yeah, it was last updated 2018. It is credible for that reason. Plus, I notice it has both sides of the argument. And again, it ends in .org, so I know it is a reliable source that I can use. So what you're going to do in today's work is plug in some information for these reliable sites that you're finding. You're going to be doing three. So right here, this is what you're going to be doing. You must use a minimum of three sources. You're going to be filling in the author, the date of publication. For example, the one I just looked at was 2018 when it was last updated. The title of the article, the website name, and then you're going to put a reason how you know it's credible. So it's a website that ends in .org. It gives both sides of the argument. It's written by reliable authors, professionals. So give a reason in here. Then you're going to put in the in-text citation you'd use in your essay, which is the author's last name, comma, 2018. In my case, there wasn't an author. It was just the name of the website. So it would be procon.org, comma, 2018. Then you're going to put in, you're going to get the actual bibliography citation. You can use Citation Machine for this, or follow this APA format and write it below. Okay, you're going to do this for three sources. You need to have three sources to do your research for your essay. I did an example for you right here, and I want to just look at that quickly. So the author of the first website I'm going to be using is Procon editors. There's no specific one person, one author's name on that site. The date it was last updated, we saw that it was 2018. The title of the article, Are Social Networking Sites Good for Our Society? The website name is procon.org. And here's my reason why it's a credible source. This source is credible because it is up to date and provides both sides of the argument, proving it's not biased. Okay, in-text citation that I would be using for this website is right here. I used this format, see, Procon editors, comma, 2018, and it's in parentheses. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is put the actual bibliography citation. So again, you can use Citation Machine to help you with this. You have to plug in the URL in the APA format. We did this earlier this year, a few times actually. Or just follow this format right here. Author's name with the period, the year in parentheses, the title, has a period after it, or in this case it was a question mark. The title of the website's in italics, followed by a period. And then you write the words retrieved from and paste the URL. Okay, so that even might be an easier way for you to get that full citation. Okay, you are going to do 3. Find 3 credible sources that you will use to prove your claim, okay, that you chose on the 16th. If you have not chosen your claim yet, you may use this one, or again, use this one. You can use this one, or go on to the sites and pick one quickly and submit it to me so I can write it down. All right, thank you very much. And you will notice one more thing, everyone, at the bottom. It does tell you what to look for credible sources. So that resource might be helpful. And please turn it in when you're done today. Thank you.